Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Respectable viewers, how are you? I hope that all are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Let's start this video. How to install and download 𝐬𝐿. Okay. So first write Google search bar 𝐬𝐿 download. Okay, click 𝐬𝐿 download, 𝐬𝐿 official website. Download 𝐬𝐿 Apache friends. Okay, click here. See version, Windows version 8.0.81.82. This version Windows for Windows. This version for Linux. This version Windows. This version OS for OS. Windows 10 for Windows 10 আমরা version 8.03, 8.1, 8.2. So latest 8.2. Okay, click download. Click here. Already start download. Wait. Download. Now click here. Click yes. Click OK. Click next. Click next. Choose your folder. cPanel. No change. Next. Click next. Language select. Next. Click next. Click next. Now this software is installing. Wait some minutes. Complete installing. Now click here finish button. Select module Apache MySQL. Choose your module. My choice Apache MySQL. Okay, so download and install complete. Write 𝐬𝐿, open. Okay, So please subscribe this channel and like, comments, share another person. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.